Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be making 4 simple summer treats. So let's not waste any more time and get right into the video. Here are the ingredients we're going to need for today's video. First, we're going to start off with the super simple s'mores dip. You need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, some milk chocolate chips, box of graham crackers, and some marshmallows. First, we're going to dump the chocolate chips in a casserole dish or a cast iron, whatever your preference is. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the chocolate and stir. Now we layer some marshmallows on top of the chocolate. Now put this in the oven at 450 for 5 to 10 minutes until everything is melted and golden brown. Here it is, fresh out of the oven. It smells amazing, and then you pair it with some graham crackers and dip and enjoy.
That's all marshmallow.
This is a whole lot of chocolate. It's fine. Whoa. My mouth is sticky.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Thumbs up?
Yeah.
For this next recipe, we're going to be making peach pie bites. You need 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon, I believe, of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of butter, a can of crescent rolls, can of peaches. We're going to be using a can of peaches, but the recipe calls for fresh peaches. We just didn't find any at our store. And let's get started. First, you roll out your crescent dough. Now in a small bowl, we're going to mix the sugar and cinnamon. Now we're going to sprinkle this on all of our crescent dough pieces. tablespoons of butter, put it in a different dish, and microwave it until it's melted. Now we're going to add 2 peach slices to each crescent roll. We're going to brush the top with the melted butter. Now these go in the oven at 375 for 12 to 14 minutes. While those are in the oven, we're going to make the icing that you drizzle on top, which is half a cup of powdered sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. Fresh out of the oven. I wish there was smell-o-vision because these smell incredible. Now let's drizzle some icing on top.
Whoa!
Is it good?
Alright, now we're going to make a simple summer pie. It's called a summer pie because the oven is not required. By the way, you don't have to use the oven for the last 2 things that we cooked. You can also use the air fryer or wrap them up and put them on the grill. And keep your house nice and cool. Alright, let's get started on the crust. Alright, for the pie crust, you're going to need about 1.5 cups of graham crackers, which is about 10 of those sleeves of, or sheets of graham cracker. You need a 1/4 cup of sugar and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. So let's melt some butter. Now into our blender, we're gonna break up 10 sheets of graham crackers. Well, that didn't work. Time to bring out the big guns. Mixing bowl, we're going to add the graham cracker crumbs, the sugar, and the melted butter and mix it till combined. Try to make it an even layer all the way around. Now you make the pudding as per the instructions on the back, and you can choose whatever flavor pudding that you want. Sugar-free or whatever. Everything works, but it has to be instant. Yes, this is the same bliss. Don't come for me. It's the same time. Now that the pudding is mixed and set, we're gonna dump it into the pie pan. Then you put it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes or until you're ready to eat it. And you can top it with whatever you like as well. And there you have a simple summer pie that your kids will love. See how they like it.
Mom's not feeling very well, so I'm gonna help her make this pie. So we got the sugar-free whipped cream because Mom says that tastes better than the regular stuff. So we're gonna put it on this pie and see how good it is. So we got our whipped cream. We're gonna grab some. Put it on top of the pie. We gotta add in a ton of whipped cream on top of the pie. So here is our finished pie. Doesn't it look beautiful? Oh yeah. This is the finished product, and now we're gonna try it. We get a nice bite. Tastes like vanilla pudding, and it's very good. I like the graham cracker crust too.
So the last thing we're going to be making today is a sugar-free, kid-friendly slushie. But don't be like me because I bought regular Sprite instead of 0 sugar. So that's the only difference that you would have. Unless you want all the sugar, then do you. And then you'll need some ice. My kids are at school, so I'm just making a small batch for now. And then some sugar-free juice mix. We're using strawberry watermelon Crystal Light, and then you mix it all up to your liking. Like I said, it depends on how many people you're giving this to, will be the amount that you make, and it's all just what your taste is, what your preference is. A little more liquidy, so we're going to add a little more Sprite. Give it another try. Whoop. Look at all that goodness. Is it to your liking? Alright, so let's put it in a glass and give it a try. So satisfying.
fruity, no carbonation like I thought there would be. Really icy, delicious smoothie, icy.
Would recommend.
Would recommend.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye, guys.